Hey there, fellow campers. It's Stu Beans from the Little House of Beans. And I know this is a different setting. This is my workspace and man cave where I work. What we're here to talk about is who will win the Martin propane 2-burner camp stove. I actually found the manual. We're going to watch the random comment generator. There was like 90 or 100 comments, so thank you all for watching and subscribing. Hopefully you'll stick around for our camp cooking and our camping videos. So before we announce who actually won the propane stove, I'm going to show you something real quick. I'm going to do a product video on this personal fan that I have 4 of these, and I think they're fantastic. This is the 5th. Amazon sent it to me by accident and they didn't ask for it back, so I'm going to give this away. Maybe that'll be the next giveaway. In any event, let's watch this video and let's see who won. Who won the propane stove? We're using a random comment picker. So I put in the YouTube URL and then we hit start. Brandy Purdon, or Purdon, congratulations, you are now the proud owner of my Martin propane stove, which we got some really great use out of. I love it. I think you're going to love it as well. Congratulations. I know that you're from the Florida tent camping group, and I know you got a couple of kids, so hopefully you guys really have a good time camping. And the stove comes in handy. That's it. You won. Congrats. Mazel tov. All that good stuff. And so I want to thank everybody for participating. I still have gear that I'm not using. And then occasionally you get something free, and I don't need it. I have 4 of these already. So I'm still going to pay it forward. I think we have some lanterns to give away. I have a really big Farberware percolator to give away, a 12-cup percolator. So, and hopefully you'll stick around for the usual content that we put out. Our camping videos and my wife Edye, her cooking videos and her cooking recipes. Hopefully you guys will stick around, and we'll mix some giveaways in of the gear that I'm not using anymore. We'll keep giving that stuff away, paying it forward, all that good stuff. So if you like the content, please smash the like button. Brandy, the stove is yours, and I'm so happy. So that's it. That's all I gotta say. Congrats to Brandy Purdon, or Purdon, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, folks. Appreciate it.